Good morning, everyone. Some people ask me how to have a happy life. In order all of us have a happy life, we need actually reduce amount of attachment to our exterior part. It can be your money, your social status, your relationship, even sometimes your family member. It must be very difficult to adopt this idea because that is part of our relationship, is it? But actually, when we do this kind of practice of free of attachment, it not necessarily means we do not care about our family, or we do not care about our loving ones, or we do not care about the people around us. No, it's not like that. Actually, in order to reduce amount of self-attachment, we just need to put ourselves in the present moment. For instance, when you're having a good time right now, just be yourself on the present moment at that time. Anything happen afterwards or beforewards, no matter is happy or sad, it's better just let it go. Once we can practice our mind activity like that, we will be able to less attached and also will reduce huge amount of suffering. I hope by this simple exercise, you can practice at your daily life basis, no matter in workforce or personal relationship or in family. You will discover, wow, actually there's always a fresh point from any time, anywhere. That will bring us a huge space for us to breathe and to start a new interaction with them. Just practice that. You'll discover the life become much more simple, much more joyful, much less worry. I hope by my ending of sharing, you can try to practice in your daily life, and I hope that can help you in some way. I wish next time you will join me again. Thank you.